go, guys. Good boy, Dax. Easy. Good boy. Easy. Good boy. Easy. It's a little harder when somebody else is running by. Come on, I'll be a good role model. No pull, Dax. Daxie, come. Good boy, yes. Oh, good boy. Oh, yes, he's a wonderful boy. Okay. Easy. Good girl, Albie. Sky decided he did not want to go on the walk today. He wanted to chill in the park. I think he's getting a little tired. And that's not surprising at his age. Dax! No pull. No. Dax! Good boy! Yes! No, you can't pull me to the water hole. Dax! Dax! Good boy! Yes! You go for a swim, LV? Sure. Dax gonna go for a swim? No? Alright, let's go. Easy. Good. Good boy. That was excellent. See, we'll get there, dude. We don't need to drag me. Easy. We forgot. Figure it out, Dax. What you doing wrong, buddy? Why aren't we moving? Dax. Dax, come. Good boy. Yay. Easy, okay. Easy, good boy. Okay. Easy. That's what I call a very long walk a short distance. Good boy. Yeah, dragging me's not going to get you there. Easy. A little more challenging now. LB's way up ahead. He has been doing absolutely perfect, especially when he was alone. Good boy. But now, oh, LB's way up there and I'm back here. But you're still not going to get anywhere by dragging me. Good boy. A little better. No, now we're dragging. Good boy, Dax. Thank you. Nope. Good boy. Basically, if it lifts my arm, he's pulling. And therefore, I'm stopping and I'm not going anywhere until he comes back to me. Oh, there's that distracting LB. Dax. Good boy. Thank you. Oh, there's that distracting LB. Come on, LB, why don't you come up here? Easy. Butterflies, they're distracting too. Dax! Come! Oh, good boy! Yeah, Yogi, good boy. Very enthusiastic recall. Okay. I think Dax would be fine off leash. And then he could run and play with LB. But it's also a great opportunity to Maximize our leash training. Come on, LB. Good boy, Dax. Nope. LB's a little busy at the moment. Good boy, Dax.